What if you could truly understand what people are saying about your brand online? In this video, we're putting Brandwatch under the microscope to see if its AI-driven marketing analytics can deliver on that promise. We'll break down everything it offers straight from their homepage and give you a balanced look at the advantages and the drawbacks. Brandwatch is all about consumer intelligence and social media management, using AI to help businesses navigate the digital landscape. They showcase their Visia product for real-time data visualization and stress capabilities like market understanding, brand tracking, and competitor analysis. The pros are immediately apparent. This is a comprehensive platform that uses artificial intelligence to process vast amounts of data, providing what seems like a crystal-clear window into public perception and market trends. The combination of deep analytics with social publishing tools is a strong selling point for creating a unified marketing strategy. But let's talk about the cons. The sheer scope of the platform hints at a significant investment, both in terms of budget and the internal resources needed to manage and interpret the data effectively. It feels very much tailored for large enterprises with dedicated marketing teams, potentially making it less agile or affordable for startups and mid-sized companies. Ultimately, for a large business seeking a powerful all-in-one AI engine for consumer insight and social command, Brandwatch looks like a top-tier contender, but its enterprise-level focus is its defining characteristic, for better or for worse. Bye-bye all.